Welcome to Biz Mystery Channel by Jack Ma, where curiosity meets knowledge and every story opens the door to a deeper understanding of the business world. Today, we begin an exciting journey into the hidden strategies, remarkable success stories, and surprising lessons behind some of the world's most influential companies and entrepreneurs. Business is much more than buying and selling products. It is a combination of vision, determination, innovation, leadership, and the ability to solve problems that others fail to notice. Every successful company started with a simple idea. What transformed that idea into a global brand was persistence, smart decision-making, and the courage to take calculated risks. On this channel, we explore the mysteries behind billion-dollar businesses. We uncover the habits of successful entrepreneurs. We reveal the principles that can inspire anyone who dreams of building something meaningful. We will discuss how small startups became industry leaders. We will explain why certain companies failed despite having enormous resources. We will discover how changing consumer behavior continues to reshape markets across the globe. Every episode is designed to educate, inspire, and encourage viewers to think differently about money, business, and personal growth. We believe that success is not reserved for a lucky few. It is available to those who are willing to learn continuously, adapt to challenges, and remain committed to their goals. Throughout history, entrepreneurs have faced setbacks, criticism, financial struggles, and moments of uncertainty. Yet many of them refused to give up because they understood that every obstacle carries a valuable lesson. The world of business is filled with fascinating stories of innovation, competition, and transformation. Behind every famous logo is a journey of hard work, creativity, and strategic planning that most people never see. Our mission is to bring those hidden stories to light in a simple and engaging way. We want viewers from every background to understand the principles that drive successful businesses. Whether you are a student, a professional, an aspiring entrepreneur, or simply someone interested in learning how great companies operate, this channel has something valuable for you. We will examine marketing strategies, financial decisions, leadership styles, customer psychology, technological innovations, and the unexpected events that changed entire industries forever. We will also explore common business myths. We will compare them with real-world examples to separate facts from fiction. Understanding these concepts can help you make better financial decisions. It can improve your problem-solving skills. It can also help you develop a stronger entrepreneurial mindset. In today's rapidly changing world, technology is creating new opportunities while also presenting new challenges. Artificial intelligence, digital marketing, e-commerce, automation, and global communication are reshaping how businesses operate every single day. Companies that embrace change often thrive. Those that resist innovation risk falling behind. That is why learning never stops in the business world. Every successful entrepreneur understands the importance of continuous improvement and staying informed about new trends. On this channel, we simplify complex business concepts into practical lessons that anyone can understand and apply. We believe that knowledge becomes powerful only when it is shared and put into action. Every video is carefully crafted to provide meaningful insights, real-life examples, and practical takeaways. You can use these lessons in your own career or business journey. We encourage curiosity because every great innovation begins with a simple question. Why did one company succeed while another failed? What makes customers trust a particular brand? How do entrepreneurs identify opportunities before others notice them? These are the kinds of mysteries we explore together. Our goal is not only to share inspiring stories. We also want to help you develop critical thinking skills that allow you to analyze business decisions from different perspectives. Success is rarely the result of a single lucky moment. It is usually the outcome of consistent effort, smart planning, resilience, and the willingness to learn from mistakes. Failure is often an essential part of success. It teaches lessons that victory alone cannot provide. Every challenge creates an opportunity to improve. Every mistake offers a chance to grow. Every success story reminds us that determination can overcome extraordinary obstacles. As you continue watching this channel, you will gain insights into leadership, innovation, branding, negotiation, productivity, investment, and the mindset that separates ordinary performers from exceptional achievers. We invite you to stay curious. Keep learning. Explore the incredible mysteries hidden within the business world. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. Remember that every successful business started with one idea, one decision, and one person willing to believe in the impossible. Let this be the beginning of your own journey toward greater knowledge, stronger confidence, smarter decisions, and bigger dreams. Together, we will uncover the fascinating secrets behind business success.